Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zendesk helpdesk for Shopify order management, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Zendesk helpdesk for Shopify order management, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the Zendesk app. Install the Zendesk app by clicking on the Add App button. Confirm the installation to connect Zendesk with your Shopify store. Next, log into your Zendesk account. If you don't have a Zendesk account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, go to the admin settings by clicking the gear icon. In the admin settings, select Apps. Click on Marketplace to access available integrations. Search for Shopify in the Marketplace. Find the integration and click on Install. Follow the prompts to link your Shopify store to your Zendesk account. After installation, return to your Zendesk dashboard. Navigate to Views within the Admin panel. Create a new view specifically for Shopify orders. Set custom filters for the view, focusing on order-related tickets. Next, navigate to Triggers in the Zendesk Admin panel. Create a new trigger to automate responses for order inquiries. Define conditions based on order status criteria, such as fulfilled, pending, and canceled. Configure notifications to keep Proceed to customize your support email. In the admin settings, locate channels and then email. Set a dedicated support email for order inquiries. Update your Shopify store settings to reflect this support email. Test the email integration by creating a test order in your Shopify store. Verify that the order-related inquiries appear in your Zendesk. Next, set up a knowledge base in Zendesk. Navigate to the Guide section from your Zendesk dashboard. Create articles addressing common order-related questions. Organize these articles into relevant categories for ease of access. Integrate the knowledge base with your Shopify store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.